So hello everyone, welcome back to our another video which is also related to IELTS. पिछली वीडियो जो हमने दी थी it was all about IELTS introduction, what IELTS is, किस टाइप का पेपर होता है, क्या वैरायटी होती है उसमें, what type of questions are you gonna be having. So everything is given in our previous videos. I hope you must have checked it. If you haven't, please go to our description box and check it. So now we are moving to our another video which is about IELTS listening. As I mentioned in our previous video that there are 4 sections in our IELTS: listening, speaking, reading and writing. Now out of these 4, one by one we will be covering everything in our various videos. So this is one of them, IELTS listening. Now what is IELTS listening test? Exactly test में होता क्या है? So this basically test assesses your ability to listen to something, to listen to the context, to the content, whatever has been spoken by the speaker. So there will be an audio of approximately 25 to 30 minutes which will be played, which you have to listen, and simultaneously you have to answer the questions. Now simultaneously means you cannot just rewind back the audio, आप उसको दोबारा से नहीं चला सकते, you cannot pause that particular audio. You are supposed to listen everything at the same time. That means it will be played only once by the examiner and you cannot ask the examiner to play it once again. आप नहीं बोल सकते उनको कि आपको दोबारा से सुनना है या आपसे एक क्वेश्चन मिस हो गया है or something like that. You cannot say that. So whatever has been spoken in that particular audio, you are supposed to listen and it will be played only once. Make sure to focus on this point. Now how are we supposed to answer these questions? At the same time, we are listening to the audio, side by side we are writing the answers. It sometimes becomes very confusing, right? So here you will be getting 10 minutes extra. As I mentioned that the task will be of 25 to 30 minutes. Along with that, you will get 10 minutes extra. Now, why are we getting these 10 minutes extra? So these 10 minutes extra are for transferring your answers to the answer sheet within these 10 minutes. So that is the reason they provide you 10 minutes extra, so that you can finalize all the answers, all the questions which you have answered while listening to the audio. So make sure to listen to it very much carefully. And running handwriting में आप short में answers लिख सकते हैं एक बार, so that is 10 minutes में आप उसको finalize करके और submit कर सकें. Now the question arises is, how many questions come in such exams? So in listening task, you get approximately 40 questions. Yes, you heard me right. So there are overall 40 questions which you are supposed to do in 30 minutes. Now, what students feel is that these 40 questions we are supposed to do in 30 minutes only. Now, कई बार होता है कि हमें 1 minute भी नहीं मिल रहा है क्वेश्चन करने के लिए, हम इसे सॉल्व कैसे करेंगे? So there are many tips and tricks that you might be getting in future for in our videos only. So make sure to keep on watching our such videos. I'm definitely gonna tell you the tips and tricks for the same. Now we have task type. So such kind of questions will be coming in your exam. It can be MCQ based, like options will be given to you. It can be 1-word answer, maybe 2-word answers, some phrases you are supposed to write. And there can be such kind of questions as well in which you are supposed to write not more than 3 words, right? It can be diagram labeling. There can be sentence completion. Now, these varieties of questions will be there in your listening test. But how to do these as well? Again, there will be some tips and tricks for doing such things. Now, when and where to answer? So, you will be getting an answer sheet in which you will be getting space for all 40 questions. So you are supposed to write answers according to the question number. And this one you can, finalize your answer in these 10 minutes that I mentioned. So you can write these answers in the 10 minutes, extra 10 minutes that you will be getting, so that whenever you are doing it simultaneously while listening to the audio, at that time you can write it in the question paper for once if they allow, but make sure to erase it later on. And everything will be written with the pencil only. You cannot use pen at that time. I hope you must have found this video helpful. Stay tuned.